Hey, Lee Cole here. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks so much for looking at this video. I just got access to Mike Paul's new training called Craig's Power Playbook, and it is exactly what it says it is. This is for offline marketers, local business marketers, people like that, and it is indeed a better way to promote your business. And also, as you get clients, it's a better way for you to promote their businesses, getting them leads. Now, let's talk real quick about what this is. Notice the subheadline here, how I got 52 business leads in 1 month without spending a penny on Craigslist while doing it all wrong. And here's the deal. This is the table of contents. And just so you know, this isn't just a report. It's about a 50-page PDF here, but it's not just a report. It also comes with a bunch of videos that show you exactly what to do, how to do it, when to do it, where to do it, etc., etc. Here's the deal. Mike is an offline marketer, runs his own agency, and he has several ways of getting leads and several ways of getting leads for his clients, one of the chief of which is Craigslist. Craigslist, however, changed. They went through a massive change a little while ago, and a lot of people a lot of businesses who were advertising on Craigslist no longer do so there because specifically some of the categories turned into paid categories. And you would think that would be bad, right? That something that once was free was now paid. I mean, we're not talking about $5 or $10 a month, something like that. I mean, it's a pittance, but you would think that that would be a bad thing. However, and Mike, as he was seeing these changes occur, he thought, oh my gosh, he'd figured out the business. He knew how to create leads. He knew how to create leads for his clients. And then Craigslist comes along and changes a lot of stuff. And he thought that that was going to actually make everything worse, when in point of fact, it didn't. What happened was this extremely moderate cost of posting just in some categories, not all, this extremely moderate cost of posting in some categories actually got rid of all the spammers and the junk that we all know and hate on Craigslist, and left more legitimate businesses, and also made it so much easier for people to actually see your posts or see your ads. So this new report and this new training product, along with the videos that Mike is selling tomorrow, that would be September the 14th at 11 o'clock is when this is going to open. This is all about how you can use the new Craigslist in order to do two things. Number one, get clients for yourself. And number two, get leads for your clients. Okay, so Mike works with a lot of different kinds of businesses, roofers, various contractors, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, insurance agents, et cetera, et cetera. And he uses Craigslist to get them leads by providing them an advertising posting service. Now, this is really, really cool because, everybody wants to be able to use Craigslist. However, they don't know how. And Mike has got this whole thing boiled down to what I call a mindless science. He does know how, and he's able to handle a lot of clients. In other words, make a lot of money per month, all while spending really very part-time, a part-time amount of time servicing these clients. He's got it all boiled down to where this is super, super easy to do. Now, this training, Craig's Power Playbook, is launching tomorrow, September the 14th. As you can see, it's very, very detailed. Talks all about what kind of, how to write an ad or a posting for Craigslist. Lots of tips, hints, and techniques. I just literally sat down and was so fascinated by this. I read through the whole thing in about an hour. Tips and techniques, calls to action, just, a whole bunch of other stuff, automatic voicemail to filter the best leads. I mean, he's giving you the entire system, exactly what to do, how to filter the leads, how to get the best leads, and how to turn those leads into paying clients, and then how to turn around and offer that same service very, very easily and without spending a lot of your time, how to offer that same service to your clients. He makes about $400 to $800 per client per month. So as you can see, I mean, at $800 a month, if you had 10 clients, it'd be $8,000 a month. So that's $96,000 a year. It's not going to take that is not a full-time amount of clients. I mean, if you had 20 or 30 clients, you would be making 3 times 96, whatever that is, a little less than 300. In other words, he does really, really well with this. Goes into the report, and the video training goes into absolutely everything you need to know, all the way from how to get started, how to get clients. We're talking about details about how to write the ads, how to outsource, ad hacks, everything you need. This is an awesome product. And if you're starting an offline business, or if you have an offline business and you're not using Craigslist to get leads for yourself, and you're not using Craigslist to generate leads for your clients and charging them for doing that, you need to pick this up. You need to just stop what you're doing right now and go pick this up. So thank you again. Wanted to show this to you again. My name's Lee Cole. Wherever you're looking at this, just scroll. If you're on YouTube, look below. You'll see a link in the description. Just click that. That will take you to the sales letter. If you're on my website, on our bonus page, just take a look at that. Scroll down a little bit, click that link, and that will take you to the sales letter also. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.